Hey comrades, welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can render a wine glass in the KeyShot. So first of all, we are going to save our wine glass in the default Rhino file. So we go to File, Save As, type in the name you want for your model, select Rhino 5 3D model or the default Rhino file, select your location where you want the file to be, and then click on Save. So after that, you can hide your Rhino app or close it, then open your KeyShot. So when you open KeyShot for the first time, this is what you are going to see: a very plain interface. Now first thing you need to do is to go to Windows and select Library and click on Materials to show the material panel on the left side of the screen. Again, go to Windows, click on Projects, and then select Scene, and then another panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Now we are going to import our model and start the rendering process. So you go to File, click on Import or Ctrl+I, and then select your model, wine glass, and click on Open. You can leave everything as it is, but on the app orientation, select it and then select Z, or on the Rhino app, the app orientation is Z, so it has to match that of the KeyShot app. So you have to select Z and then click Import. So the moment you import, you see a shadow or a silhouette of your model imported. Okay, so now in KeyShot, you can turn your interface around by clicking and dragging and then moving it around. You can pan it by selecting the pan icon here, and then you can pan your windows around. And the dolly is for zooming in and zooming out. Okay, in KeyShot again, we have pre-rendered materials which you can just drag on top of your model for it to take the shape or the properties of that material. So for instance, in our case, we are rendering a wine glass, which is glass. So in the material panel, you can choose glass, and when you choose glass, you see that there are different types of glass materials that will be shown here. So you can pick any of them, drag it on top of your model, and then you see that it will take the shape of that type of glass that you choose. There are other glasses that you can apply on your material. I'll go for this one. I prefer this. Yeah, so once you have it like this, you can also add backgrounds, and the backgrounds of images you have, or HDR images. You can add any background, and you can also change the lightning of the scene. So I'll show you how you can add a background to your model. So you go to on the material panel here, choose environment. That is the environment. So click on the environment and you see that on the environment we have interior, outdoor, studio, sun and sky. So you can choose a material from any of these by just dragging and dropping it on the background. So now you can see that the lightning of our scene has changed when I applied some of these panels. Yeah. So you can keep on applying, and when you get the one you want, you can accept and move on. Also, we have HDR environments that you can apply to your model. Some of these you can download some from online and import it into the software. The software also comes with some already pre-installed. So you just drag it onto the background and it will change to that. So that's how it's going to be. Let's try another one. Okay. Yeah, so you can choose any of them. I think I like this one. I like this one. Okay, so once you have it like this, you can go ahead and render, but let's add one or two things to it before we render. Let's see. Yeah, so I like this. So once you have it, you can go ahead and do the rendering. You could see that the window or the interface was lagging when I was moving things around, and also there are some kind of noises in there when you try to turn your objects around. That's because if you have a weak GPU, it's going to lag. Your PC is going to lag, but if you have a strong GPU, that will not be a problem. So I recommend getting a very good PC, maybe a gaming laptop with a good GPU for these kind of things. So now you go to the render button down here, click on it, and a window will be opened. Now type in the name that you want to save your object in. So wine glass. Select the location. I'll put it on my desktop. Select desktop, the folder, and then select the resolution that you want. So this resolution is okay for me. And then when you are done with this setup, hit render and wait for your model to render. I think the render is good enough. You can stop it and save it. So stop and save. Let's check out how our render went. So this is a good render. Yeah guys, so this is the final results. and it's looking so realistic and clean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Leave your comments below and I'll attend to it. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. If you need the site or the link to the software, the KeyShot, let me know. I'll send you the link to download it. And if you have any difficulty in installing, you can let me know. I'll help you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Shalom. See you in the next one.